If you're the kind of person who loves watching pros absolutely nail their jobs, then you're in for a treat. Viral Hawks has gathered from the internet to bring you the most satisfying clips of people crushing it at work. You might want to double check your eyeballs because some of these are unbelievable. And hey, while we're grabbing a snack, why not hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell? You won't want to miss what's coming next. A true professional, they can make demolition look like a work of art. This guy? Oh, he can clean an entire lot before the ships even show up, no sweat. Hit that like button if you think using a wire frame to shade glass in a unique way is pure genius. All truck drivers are basically parking wizards, seriously. Their maneuvering skills are so insane, it's like they're performing a magic trick. Only those with a keen eye for detail can tackle painstaking work like this. It's all about precision and patience. This pro creates jaw-dropping artistry with bismuth, a heavy metal that's not just for medicines and cosmetics, but also nuclear energy. Who knew it could look so cool? This work is pure visual enchantment. It's like a feast for the eyes. This pro slices potatoes with such expertise. It's mind-blowing he doesn't even need to look. Talk about skills. This is precision at a surgical level, so accurate. It's like they're performing an operation. Some of their work just leaves you speechless. It's like each piece tells a story that takes your breath away. This woman turns cabbage into the most beautiful flower in the world. It's like watching a culinary magician at work who knew cabbage could be so stunning. Wow. Now it's time to see how the sweetest bouquets of flowers are made. Get ready for some floral magic that will brighten your day. While I can barely carry 2 glasses, this woman handles 12 like it's a walk in the park. Talk about serious skills. I'm sure the forest is perfectly safe with this firefighter on the job. He's like a superhero ready to battle the flames. I'm sure you'll enjoy watching this grass being cut. It's oddly satisfying to see it all come together. Sure, fire is strong, but professional firefighters are even stronger. They're the ultimate heroes, ready to take on the heat. Check out the mind-blowing precision of a master sealant applicator. It's so flawless, you'd think they have a magic wand. Just look at this loader work. Geez, he must be made of steel. He's handling that equipment like it's a toy. You have to agree, This technique for cutting bananas is fantastic. It's like they're slicing through magic, so smooth and effortless. Think this mattress can't be packed away nicely? Okay, just watch this. It's about to get a neat makeover that'll blow your mind. I think you're finally ready to see the most flawless concrete work ever. Get ready to be amazed by some serious craftsmanship. Here's the only way the real pros do seal coat edging. It's smooth, precise, and absolutely satisfying to watch. This handyman is a real magician. Give him a call and a little bit of time, and you'll be blown away by the amazing results. I have nothing else to say except wow. You know, chair making is surprisingly relaxing. Who knew? It's almost meditative. Let go of all your worries and let the rhythm of yarn creation carry you away. It's a beautiful, meditative process. It's like the video is in a perfect loop, and I'm happy to just get lost in it. There's something so comforting about that. This guy isn't your average gardener, folks. He's a true artist at heart.
Well, that wraps up our shift for today. Tell us in the comments about something you can do perfectly. But first, do what we know you love, smash those like and subscribe buttons. Catch you all soon.